In this video, I'm going to talk about a few features from the previous video. So I'm going to talk about the most of famous feature that most people use in their configuration. And the first one is the PortFast, and the second one is the BPDU guard. So what is the PortFast? The PortFast is the features that is only config on the interface that connects to the end station. Okay, end stations such as the server, PC, something like that. It is in special conditions. Some of server they also need trunk to carry VLAN, so we don't use the PortFast. But we also have the PortFast trunk, so just ignore it first. But just want to know, you just know that PortFast is the feature that make that port in forwarding state after the switch boot up. Okay, so PortFast tell the switch that, hey, if you boot up, you see that configuration. I mean, you see that PortFast feature enabled on the interface. Just make the interface go into forwarding state immediately. Okay, this is the feature of the PortFast. Meaning, okay. So BPDU guard, it is the feature that how can I say, it protects the BPDU coming into that port. First of all, like here, first of all, I configure BPDU guard with this port. Okay, so when first of all, like when there is someone confusing plugs in this port and add a switch to that port, or first of all, this PC generates BPDU to the switch here, and that this port at the board, the BPDU guard, the switch going to block this port immediately. Okay, because it's going to avoid the loop, and yeah, it works something like that. Mostly it works with the PortFast together. Okay, so when I talk about a series like this, you guys gonna say, not really understand. Okay, so I'm going to demo you guys about this. So right now I'm going to reload every switches in the topology. Okay, so here we go. The switch is doing the reloading. You can see this is the booting up. Okay, so just wait a second. Yeah, as you can see that is now every port is in the amber. It's in the orange. Okay, actually in the real switch you can show like this. Show so span 3 summary. Just so span 3, that's enough. Okay, so span 3, they are learning here. You see, learning. Okay, so learning is meaning still, converging. So let's wait a little bit. As you can see now, it's already done converging. So you can see it is about the 15-second forwarding time. Forwarding delay time, 15 seconds. So in some of the like big network, big company, 1 second, 2 seconds is very valuable for them. They can earn a lot of money from that 1 to 2 seconds. So that's why this feature come to play. Right now I'm going to configure that this feature into the port connected to the PC here. Span 3 PortFast. Okay, next span 3 BPDU guard enable. Alright, so these two commands you have to apply together to protect and to make that port up immediately after the boot up. Okay, span 3 PortFast and span 3 BPDU guard enable. So this log is just doing some running for you. You can read it. I don't have time to read it. Okay, so I forgot to save. Alright, I have to save it a little bit to make sure after I doing the boot up again, make sure it will not release my configuration. Okay, so right now I'm going to reload again. Everything going in the red, this is about the port. Doing reload, it will not enable any port. So just wait a little bit about it. And you can see that here, immediately after boot up, the switch just forward that port automatically, immediately. Okay, without doing the conversions. So this is the the purpose of this feature that engineer they created. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much.